Hi everyone, welcome back to the other episode of our tutorial video. This is me Kate here, and on today's video I'm gonna show you how to add a credit card on Shein app. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your mobile device, make sure that you have Shein app installed. Once you install that, open up the application. After that, log into your account if necessary. Here I have already logged into my account. Now from this interface, tap on your profile icon from the bottom right corner that says Me. That will take you to your profile page. Again, head over to the upper right corner. There you will see settings icon. Tap over there. You will land on settings page. Now in order to add credit card under address book, there you will see My Payment option. Tap on there, and on this page you will be able to add your credit or debit card. Now again tap on plus, and on this dialog box you have to enter your card information. For that, first of all enter your card number. Once you're done with that, under expire date enter your expiration date of your card from this drop down menu. After that, enter your CVV number, that is 3-digit number, and then you will successfully add credit card on your Shein app. The next time you order from Shein app, you can use your card as a payment method. So that's how you can add credit card on Shein app. I hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon so that you will get update the next time we upload more tutorials. Thank you for watching again. I will see you on next tutorial.